So this is what I was using previously. As you can see, it's more like a sort of lapel type of microphone, but it's stereo. It's not up to the job really. So I've had a few issues when I've been creating videos that when I'm using the screen recorder, the sound comes out pretty garbled, to be honest. So I've invested in a new microphone. I won't be sorry to see the back of this, although I will continue to use it. So it's just a matter of attaching it to the cable. It's got a standard connector on it, so I can plug that straight into the video camera. So this is a test using the plug-in microphone on the video camera. It's showing that there's quite a lot of noise, so it'll be interesting to see how it plays back. So the last clip was with the microphone plugged into the video camera, so obviously that is not suitable. It's given a huge amount of buzzing and noise, so it will now be going in the bin. And so here we've got the replacement. It's a Blue Snowball Black ICE. It's a USB microphone, so I'm really looking forward to using this one. We should resolve all of the sound issues with any luck, so let's go ahead and open it up. Quite a big box. Seems could have been half the size probably. So as you can see, that's set at the bottom, then you've got this big gap in the middle, and then the microphone sits on top. I guess that's just to give you a view of having maximum bang for your buck. So that's the stand, that's the cable, and then the booklet. And then in the top part we've got the microphone itself, so we'll just open up there. Got good packaging. And then you've got your, look at that, beautiful. Amazing. Let's just get that. I presume that goes in there. Don't think I really need to read the instructions on how to screw the stand into the microphone. You've got a few settings on there as well, so I wonder if we can adjust that so that it's, there we go, that's better. Excellent. So let's get that connected to the PC and do some tests. So that's the microphone installed. Looks pretty good there. So we'll do some tests on that later on. So now we've got the microphone connected. This is a voiceover speech test to see what the quality is like. So I've already done a test on this, and the quality is a massive improvement over the previous rubbish little microphone that I had connected. So that's really all I've got to say about it. Highly recommend these Blue microphones. If you don't go for the Snowball like I've gone for, the only reason I've gone for that is cost. Some of the other microphones do a lot more, but seeing as I only are going to be using this for Skype calls,
and making videos. I don't need to have a bi-directional microphone, and if I do, I've got an alternate replacement that I could use, so that's not a problem. So quality wise, yeah, a massive improvement, and highly recommend these microphones. If you've got any questions, leave us a comment under the video, and if you can like and subscribe, that would be fantastic.